To make Xfinity Wi-Fi faster on PS4, start by checking your internet speed to ensure you are getting the speed you are paying for. You can do this by using a speed test website on a computer or mobile device connected to the same network as your PS4. Next, restart your router and modem by unplugging them, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging them back in. This will often resolve any connectivity issues and improve your Wi-Fi speed. Then, move your router to a central location in your home to ensure a stronger signal is reaching your PS4. You should also consider upgrading to a Wi-Fi range extender if you have a large home or multiple floors. On your PS4, go to Settings and then Network to check your Wi-Fi connection. Select your Xfinity Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks and enter your Wi-Fi password. You can also improve your Wi-Fi speed by changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router. Most routers have an auto channel setting, but you can change it to a less crowded channel to improve your speed. Another way to make your Xfinity Wi-Fi faster on PS4 is to use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to your PS4 for a faster and more stable connection. Finally, check for any firmware updates for your router and PS4 to ensure you have the latest software and improvements. By following these steps, you can improve your Xfinity Wi-Fi speed on your PS4 and enjoy a faster gaming experience.